Ready to take tablet production to a new level? Look no further than the innovative NP500 series rotary tablet press from Natoli Engineering. This heavy-duty press combines sleek design with unsurpassed production quality.
This machine behind me is a 10-ton machine. It compresses at a heavier ratio than most machines. It's got an extra deep fill, 1 3/8 depth of fill, allowing for higher ratio compression tablets. You know, tablets are generally 2 to 1. You can go 3 to 1, 4 to 1, 5 to 1 on this press.
The NP500 delivers as many as 5,500 tablets per minute with increased size and weight. This is the perfect press for all types of production. The deep fill design means 100% more fill than the standard B tooling, ideal for high compression ratio products. There is no press like this on the market today. Programming is simple through the user-friendly touchscreen.
I'm setting up the depth of fill or weight adjustment, and on the screen, if you notice, there are 3 fill cams, 11/16, 7/8, and 1 3/8. 1 3/8 is an extremely deep depth of fill, allowing for tablets or products that require 3, 4, 5 to 1 compression ratios to be tableted on a press, or just thick tablets. That's where the 1 3/8 depth of fill comes into play.
Simply program the touchscreen for the product you're running.
Right now I'm programming in my cup depth. The way the system's set up, it'll take into account cup depth of the punches, upper and lower, and the upper punch penetration, and figure out the tablet thickness set point from there, and move the lower punch to the right position.
Once you find the settings that work, store them as a recipe in the memory for easy recall. With the NP500, you get higher quality tablets with more stability because of increased dwell time.
The head flight diameter from here to here is much larger, and that is where the main pressure roll contacts the punch, causing it to stay under the pressure roll longer. The length of time the force is applied is almost double between these 2 punches.
The new NP500 built in the USA can be customized for your needs. Granulation goes into the oversized topper and is then force-fed for even filling.
Here's the force feeder. It is a DC gear motor driven feeder. The product comes down through the hopper into the bowl. There's paddles inside the force feeder that rotate and spread it evenly, filling the dies. It improves the flowability of the product with the paddles.
A hopper low-level sensor will shut down the press if the product runs low to prevent tool damage. The NP500 is designed for ease of use and maintenance. This is why the lube system grease ports are centrally located on the outside of the machine.
Normally you stop your press, check your lubrication, and possibly re-lube your punches, but with this, you do not have to stop your press and check the lubrication on your punches. This has interval settings for frequency and duration of lube that are programmed on the HMI, the touchscreen.
Illuminated upper and lower compartments allow for proficient tooling examination and troubleshooting during operation. A vacuum nozzle on the die table and lower punches keeps the press running cleaner. And unique to the NP500, the air conditioner option keeps lower punches cool to prevent sticking and promote tool life.
If compressing effervescence, this is extremely important. Effervescents have a tendency to stick in heat and humidity, and this allows that to be pulled out.
To produce consistent tablets, feeder speed and weight control automatically adjusts to keep tablets within user-defined parameters. The automatic model includes a batch counter, which will automatically shut down when the batch is complete. The NP500 monitors temperature of the lower punches using an infrared sensor and will shut down the press before punches start to overheat. The lower tight punch monitor utilizes a proximity sensor to let the user know when the lower punches start to bind.
It is a segmented lower fill cam. It is spring loaded. When the punches start to bind, they will not want to ride the track down on the fill cam, and they're actually going to force the segmented part up and set a sensor off.
In fact, the NP500 is equipped with automatic shutdown for a variety of alarm conditions, and alerts can be sent to any email-capable device. Unsurpassed worldwide technical support is available through remote access.
If your network's set up properly, I can dial into this press and troubleshoot it from a remote location.
The NP500 can be equipped with both compression and ejection force monitoring to maintain tablet weight and consistency and promote tool life.
So as your compression force changes, the system automatically adjusts for your depth of fill to adjust your weight. What we do is we measure how much pressure it actually takes to eject the tablet out of the die. High ejection force can cause damage to tooling and damage to cams.
The press can be equipped with a fast-acting, pneumatically controlled reject gate to reject tablets that are out of spec. Through the touchscreen, the user can monitor feeder speed to be certain of consistent tablet weight, hardness, and thickness. Maintenance information on the touchscreen aids in troubleshooting mechanical and electrical systems. Full machine documentation is embedded into the machine system. For accountability, optional validation qualification packages are available, which include IQ and OQ documentation. Delivering up to 5,500 tablets per minute, the NP500 press combines outstanding production, automation, and reliability with lower servicing costs. Natoli Engineering can design one for your specific product needs.
We have multiple options that are available. Punch loop systems, grease loop systems, rotary feeders, compression force monitoring, and you can pick and choose these options as you need them on your press. If there's anything special you want to do above these options, that's a possibility too.
For pricing and purchase information of the NP500 tablet press, contact Natoli Engineering in the U.S. at 636-926-8900 or visit natoli.com.